fifth scene of the drama. That is the last scene. Panchamam Drishyam. Masanantaram, after 1 month, Sandhya Kalaha, evening time, Ekatra Riktaha Nutana Ghataha Santi, one place, Riktaha, empty pots are arranged. Dugdha Kretaraha, milk buyers. Dugdha Kretaraha, Anyecha Gramavasinaha, other villagers. Aparatra Asinaha. One more place, they also are there. They also are there. Chandanaha. Chandana. Dhenum pranamya, after saluting the cow. Mangalacharanam vihaya, after doing namaskara. Mangalacharanam vidhaya, after doing mangala namaskara. Mallikam ahvayati, he is calling Mallika, his wife. Mallike satvaram agacha, hey Mallika, come quickly. Satvaram means quickly. Come quickly, Mallika. Ayami Natha, yes, coming. Natha, husband. Dohanam arambhasvatavata, so you start milking the cow, she says. Chandana. Yadha dhenoho samipam gatva dogdhum ichhati. Yada, when, dhenoho, cows, samipam, near, gatva, after going near the cow, when he tries to milk the cow, tada dhenuhu prishtapadena praharati, it kicks from the back leg. Prishtapada, back leg. So it kicks him with the back leg. Chandanam cha patrena saha patati. Chandana fell down on the earth along with pot. Along with pot, he fell. Nandini dugdham dehi, is requesting the cow that, hey Nandini, give the milk. Dugdham dehi. Kim jatam te, what happened to you? Punaha prayasam karoti. Again he tries to milk the cow. Nandini cha punaha punaha padapraharena tadayitva chandanam rakta ranjitam karoti. Again and again, punaha punaha, again and again, padapraharena, by kicking by the legs, by kicking from the legs, tadayitva, after beating him with the legs, cow makes Chandana complete body covered with blood. He is bleeding from all the parts of his body because it is kicking him like that. So he become very much bloody. So Prishtapadena praharati, by that the Chandana will become all blood. Chitkaram kurvan patati, ha hatosmi, oh I got killed. I got killed, hatosmi. So Chitkaram, he is shouting, he is screaming, and he fell down. Sarve Ascharyena Chandanam Anyonyam cha Pashyanti. Everyone with a surprised look, looking at the Chandana as well as they are looking at themselves. Mallika enters. Chitkaram Shutva, after listening to the screaming of the husband, Jhatiti Pravishya. Jhatiti, quickly. Quickly she enters. Natha Kim Jatam. Hey husband, what happened? Katham tvam rakta ranjitaha. How your body is full of blood. Chandanaha dhenuhu dogdhum anumatim eva nadadati. Cow is not giving permission only to milk it. Dohana prakriyam arabhamanam eva tadayati mam. When I try to milk the cow, It is kicking me. Arabhamanameva. Before starting only, it is kicking me. Mallika dhenum snehena vatsalyena akarnya dogdhum prayatate. Mallika, with all the care and affection which she used to show to cow, with the same intent, she tries to milk the cow. But dhenuhu dugdahina eva avagachati. But it seems like cow don't have milk. All milk is dried up. Mallika Chandanam Prati. Nath Ati Anuchitam Kritam Avabhyam. We did very wrong thing. Ati Anuchitam. Anuchitam means wrong thing. We did very wrong thing. Yata, that Masaparyantam dhenoho dohanam nakritam. From 1 month, we did not milk the cow. Sa pidam anubhavati. Now she is getting hurt. If we try to milk it, it is getting hurt because milk is not there. Ata eva tadayati. That's why it is kicking. Chandanaha. Devi mayapi jnatam yat. I also came to know. Asmabihi sarvata anuchitameva kritam. Yes, I also came to know that we did a big mistake. Anuchitam, we did wrong thing. Yata, that Purna Masa Paryantam Dohanam Nakritam. Whole month we did not milk the cow. Atayeva Dugdham Shushkam Jatam. That's why milk is dried up. Satyameva Vuktam. It is told correctly that Karyam Adyataniyam Yata Tat Adyaiva Vidhiyatam. Karyam, work, Adyataniyam, today's work, Yata, Tata, that work should be completed that day only. Adyaiva Vidhiyatam. We must do our daily works that day only. Don't go on postponing the things. Karyam adyataniyam. Today's work must be completed today only. Viparite, if you don't do, viparite gatiryasya, one who do opposite of that, one who piles up the things and tries to do it at once. Kashtam labhate dhruvam. Dhruvam means quickly. Kashtam, difficulties. He will face difficulties very much quickly. He will get the difficulties quickly. He will not be successful. Mallika. Ambhartaha, yes husband, satyameva. It is true only. Mayapi patitam yata. I also read somewhere that Suvicharya Vidhatavyam Karyam Kalyana Kankshina. Suvicharya, after thinking again and again, Vidhatavyam Karyam, we must do the work. After thinking again and again, thinking about the future circumstances, we should commit to any work. Karyam Vidhatavyam. Kalyana Kankshina, if you want to be happy. If you want to be happy, then think again and then do the works. Without thinking, don't do anything. Yaha karoti avicharya etata. Yaha, one who does the work without thinking, avicharya, without thinking, one who works. Savishidati manavaha. He will be in problems. Vishada means sadness. He will be in sadness because of failure. He will fail if he is not thinking and doing the work. He will fail. By that failure, he will be sad. Savishidati मानवः। किन्तु प्रत्यक्षतया अद्य एव अनुभूतम् एतत्। किन्तु but I just read that, but today pratyaksham, in front of eyes, prati aksha means eyes, in front of eyes only I came to know today. Anubhutam, I experienced etata, this I experienced today. Sarve, everybody is saying dinasya karyam tasminneva dine kartavyam. Daily work must be completed that day only. Must be completed that day only. Yaha evam na karoti. If someone is not doing the things that day only, saha kashtam labhate dhruvam. He will face problems. He will get the difficult things in his life. Javanika patinam. Patanam means curtain is dropping. It's a drama, no? So the curtain is dropping. Sarve militva gayanti. Everyone say that. Adanasya pradanasya. Kartavyasya cha karmanaha. Adana, taking. Pradana, giving. Kartavya, duties. Karma, work. These four things. Kshipram akriyamanasya. If we don't do them quickly, the fruit of that work will be eaten by time. Time will take away the fruit of that. Kalaha pibati tadrasam. By whatever the effort you put, you do the work, but in time you should do. If you are not doing the things on time, then you will not get the fruit of that. Example I will give you. You want to go to one more place and you want to go to that place in a train. You buy a ticket. What you do? You buy a ticket. After buying a ticket, what you should do? You should go to train and catch it. But train is at 9 o'clock. You bought a ticket at 10 o'clock. Train went. You cannot say that I bought a ticket, but still I did not get the train, because you did the thing. By buying a ticket, you can travel, but in time, you missed the train. So, the fruit of the work. What is the fruit? You should reach your destination. That you cannot do because that fruit is eaten by time, because you are not on time. So, adanasya, whatever, if you want to take something from someone, collect it on time. If you want to give your installments of loans and everything, definitely give it on time. Duties are there, do it on time. The duty and the work, daily work also, make a timetable and do it according to that. Then only you will get the fruit of your works. If not, you will not get the fruit, children. The time is something which will eat the fruit of the work. This is what Godohanam teaches us, that always do the work on time and don't postpone the things. Don't study before the examination day. Do it every day. Make a proper timetable. According to that, you start and do the things that day only. You will not face any problems in your studies. Dhanyavadaha.